Okay.
I think that people would rather, like on a day like today especially, would rather go like pumpkin
To a
picking.
farm,
Exactly. Yeah.
There's still that popularity.
Exactly, but you have to think about the people that don't have cars and don't have, access to like get out to like the farms and stuff like that. They'll come here and get their pumpkins from here.
Okay.
Huge, we have like 7 or 8 apples right now. We have the Fuji, we have Honeycrisp. Yeah, we have apples all like next week. I think is our Apple Fest next week too, and that's like our other big crop, I guess you would say.
Sunrise, sunrise, looks like one